Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to use borders in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. First I'll write a sample text. This is a sample text. So I'll copy paste in order to create a paragraph or a list of sentence. Now if we need borders within this text or this sentences, what you need to do is highlight the text that you want to put a border around. So in our case we'll highlight all the text here, and then you need to go at the top. Here you will see borders, so click on it and you'll see various type of borders which you can insert. So now you can insert bottom border, top border. So we'll try with bottom border. Yeah, it will insert a bottom border, but if you want all borders, you can select all borders, so it will be inserting all the borders around the text. And even you can remove the border if in case you have already a text which is with border. You can click on no border and it will remove the borders. So these are various type of borders which you can insert. Let's try with the inside horizontal border. So this is it, how to insert a border in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for more videos. Comment for any doubts or clarification. I'll be replying to your comment. Thanks.